What's up, Speed Nation? Welcome back to the channel. Today, you see it in the background. Guess where I'm at? You see it right there. It's backwards, but it says Caliber Collision, man. I'm here, right? I wonder why. Check it out, y'all. I'm about to give you a walk around of the Redeye. So here you see the Redeye right here. You see some of the upgrades I did with the tire stickers and all of that. You know, so it's coming on nicely, but we have a little mishaps right here. So just a couple of days ago, I was rear-ended at a stoplight. So you see the damage right there, right? You see it. Kind of upset about that, but there's nothing you can do. You know, nobody was hurt in the accident. Just a little damage here. Be honest with you, I am upset. I'm upset at the whole situation, what happened. I only had the car for exactly 30 days, and that's what happened. I was on my way to the dyno to get some dyno numbers on the car, and you know, this is what happened. So, you know, things happen, right? Here's another quick walk around of all the other things I've done. So insurance is about to take care of that. So the car should be here for about maybe a week, hopefully no more than a week. We'll be getting a rental. But yeah, things happen. Yeah, just gotta be careful out there. Gotta be careful. So I will be, once I get the car back, I will be going to the dyno, and I will be doing some ceramic coating. I'm gonna do it myself, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, and so you won't miss another video. See that little damage right there as well. All right, so stay tuned. Like, share, comment, subscribe. All right, y'all. So as you can see, I'm going through the process. He's about to mark up the bumper where he's gonna replace it. Then I'm gonna get a loaner car. They're gonna come pick me up. Damage isn't too bad. I'm thankful for that. You know, it's just the whole situation. But here's another quick look at it again. So stay tuned, guys. You see it right there. You see the work I did to the rear diffuser. CJ, he's gonna do his thing.
You know it. Yeah. I'm just gonna do a little bit of this.
All right.
This is washable marker. Doesn't matter when we repair it anyway.
Okay.
For any reason, if we see something damaged behind this thing and it's not fixable, then we'll replace it. But
Okay.
right now, it looks very repairable.
Okay.
So
That sounds
I've
good.
seen a lot worse. These guys here repair plastic pretty good.
Okay. That's good. That's good news.
I'm gonna go ahead and mark this bumper.
All right.
And obviously on the stripes, some good stuff right there. Run the car real quick. This is 21, right?
Yes, sir.
Only thing I don't want to see are rock chips. I don't like seeing rock chips.
Shouldn't be a whole lot of those either.
Yeah, all I see is bugs.
That's it. I mainly kept it in the garage. I pulled it out the garage maybe 3 times. I mean, it's got 700 miles on it. 400 of those miles of me driving it home from Houston. Not Houston, but Fort Lavaca.
Okay.
But actually 350, not 400.
Well, it's pretty nice. You mind if I pop inside?
Absolutely.
Got some keys on you?
Here you go.
I'm gonna run down some odometer readings real
He
quick.
get the red key, y'all. Y'all see that? But it is in valet mode. Alright, you guys, y'all stay tuned. They got it all marked up. You know. Should be in good hands. Right? One last look here. So when we come back, it should be taken care of hopefully within a week. We'll see, you know. But on the other hand, here's what the insurance company of the person that hit me, right? Here's what car they gave me. Check this out, y'all. Riding in style. This is the kind of stuff they give you, man. Isn't that crazy? It ain't my fault. I go from that to this right here. That's what they give me, right? Now that's the type of stuff that make you mad. Now I'm upset. I'm upset now because they gave me this. Wouldn't you be mad? Comment down below. Would you be happy about that? Look what they give me.
Well, I'm taking your sweet right in the back.
Well,
Good with that?
I'm good with it.
Okay.
But that's the type of stuff you got to deal with when you're dealing with these insurance companies. Biggest ripoff ever. But they're gonna Redeye. They pulling it to the back, right? Time to get it repaired. All right, y'all. All right, Speed Nation. I'm out of here, right? I'm about to take this Nissan Versa. I'm about to put it on the 8th mile and YouTube that. I'm just joking. I'm not doing that. I gotta have respect for this stuff. But you know, I'm pissed about this. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think about this rental they gave me. It's crazy, isn't it? Crazy.